He's so cute. So it is, let me see. It is 12:11 a.m. and then we've arrived at our place. This is so redneck design. Look at this. Like furs all over the walls. And this, oh my god. And yeah, well, honestly, I'm really happy though because apparently like 5 of the 20 reviews said there were like no water or electricity or light or whatever, and I was like, you know what, I'm just so happy that there's light. Like my standards was suddenly so low. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's livable. Very cute. Yeah, there's a lot of fur stuff here. Me and Scarlett are gonna sleep on this bunk bed. I want to sleep here, but to be honest, I do have a small bladder, so maybe I should sleep on the bottom. It's crazy though, because they have so much like real fur here. Like this is, I think, I mean, I don't know, I'm guessing it's rabbit fur. You can tell it's real though. And this too, so cool. I want it as a coat. Oh my god, look. Oh my god, it reminds me of my childhood. Oh my gosh. And we have like this starry ceiling in the bunk bed. Okay guys, you know how I said I liked it before? Well, now that all the lights have gone off and there are random noises that happen, I'm scared as fuck. Like, these doors look like they would blow away in the wind. And I looked for a knife in the kitchen so I could protect myself in case something happened. And they have no knives. So, I'm just gonna have to tough this one out. I will see you in the morning. You might be able to hear my grandma snoring in the background. To be honest, my feet smell pretty bad, but it's really late. It's almost 1 and we have to wake up at 5:30 tomorrow. So I'm also just gonna have to tough this one out. Yeah. I was just staring at the ceiling and I noticed there's a piece of gum on my bunk bed. So we got up at like 5:30 a.m. so we can get into the national park before it opens, because we don't have the reservation pass. I think you have to do it like a year in advance or something. There's only a limited number of people who can get in so early, so hopefully we can get in. Oh, so beautiful. There are deer. There's 2. Although I will say this trail is pretty steep. Like, feels like I'm climbing a stairmaster. Oh my god, he's so friendly. He likes staring at everybody. Look at it. He has an audience. But the squirrels here are so small compared to the ones in San Diego. I don't know. Like, his tail is so short. He's so small. Okay, but we have to give a shout out to my 76-year-old grandma. I mean, she's still a bit behind, so you can't see her right now. But it's honestly very impressive she can hike up here. It's super, super steep. Look at that. We have reached the snow-capped mountains This is our first spot of snow.
You guys want a picture?
Oh, if you don't mind, thank you.
And some carrots, and they're both refrigerated because it's so cold.
Yeah, it's freezing up here.
You're so cute.
Come here. Come here. Here. He's just like standing there.
Sleeping, and then they come out maybe, and they start coming out maybe at the end of May or June. And it's still
It's a heart-shaped stone. It's so perfect. I'm so sad. We made it. We're back at the parking lot. But actually, I feel like we're really lucky because it was a bit misty and foggy, which was really beautiful on our way up. So it wasn't too hard to climb the mountain. But as we're coming down, the sun came out and everything's really beautiful. But, you know, coming down isn't very difficult. So it's nice.
Oh, can I put it aside? 他自己点啊，自己点。
都，他那个是世界称重牌来受用，我都去世界。
你也吃了噻。所以要不这些都要上。